have a look. What's it like?
Còn cái tô này tô đúng không?
Đầu lên.
Tròn đúng không?
Wow. We need to be autofocus. Yep, there we go. Oh, look at that. It is very good, yeah. That one's got happy as well, yeah? Okay, now with your remote you should be able to record, which will be this one. Have a look. Now that's on.
Mẹ, không chào ha.
Okay, then we want to take a photo. One photo, want to take a video. Video. So you can set this up on the tripod, go to that side and press start, press, okay, is it recording? Let's go to record. Okay, it's recording now. Press stop. Stop. Brilliant. Right, okay, so what are you doing? Am I? Oh, you take those memory cards out. Make sure we've got each camera back into its box, and then tomorrow I can charge all the batteries up properly, okay? So make sure you've got each camera and all its pieces, all these little bits that go with the camera back into the box. That lens goes back onto that camera. Put that lens back on that camera. Oh, yeah, pack them all on, yeah. Battery? Yeah. Put the instruction manual back in the box. Back in the box. Close the box. That'll do. Push it over to the corner. Okay, good. Well done.